Alright, so this is how Indian people firecrackers. Look at the guy. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. See that? It's dangerous, but they don't care.